This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Perry. This beautifully designed, fully furnished first-floor end-unit condo in Sweetwater Bay features an inviting open floor plan ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. Sliding glass doors open to a private screened lanai where you can relax and enjoy peaceful preserved views and tranquil surroundings. Tucked away in one of the quieter sections of the community, this residence offers a true retreat-like setting and includes a new HVAC system installed in 2024. With the ability to lease up to 12 times per year with a 30-day minimum, this property presents an excellent opportunity for both investors and seasonal residents. Sterling Oaks offers resort-style living with exceptional amenities including championship tennis and pickleball courts, a full-service clubhouse with dining, fitness center, and a junior Olympic-sized pool with sun decks and patio bar. Residents also enjoy acres of scenic nature preserves and walking trails within this secure, gated community. Ideally located just minutes from Naples' world-class beaches, RSW International Airport, shopping, and dining, this home delivers the perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and lifestyle. For more information, review the details below.